Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I want to thank you all for tuning in into this video, but before I get started, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. I would greatly appreciate it so very much. Today, we are going to be learning how to make a pair of wood earrings using aluminum wire. I did a video yesterday. I hope you all went and checked that video out of the stash that I showed you all that I am going to be using today. These earrings are only going to take maybe about 5 or 6 minutes. If I didn't have to record, I could make these earrings in about 5 minutes, but by me having to record and talk and all that stuff, it may take a little longer. All right, y'all. So here are the items that you will need to achieve this look. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need a fish hook. You're going to need your choice of beads. You're going to need 12 gauge aluminum wire. Make sure that your wire is 15 inches long. I have already cut my piece 15 inches long. You're going to need some round nose pliers, some wire cutters. Okay, so we're going to go right on into this. You're going to need this ruler, believe it or not. Okay, now in my little top I have different sizes of my wood beads. I have some oval, I have some that are tube, I have some square shapes. Some of these are 6 inches. I have one that I'm going to be using that this is 8 millimeters. These are 6 millimeter. These little ones are 6 millimeter. This is 8. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to tell you pretty much the beads that I'm going to, how I'm going to be arranging the beads on my wire. So basically the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to make a loop. Okay, just a little loop at the end of my wire. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my beads on. I'm going to be making 4 sets of 3s. Okay, so I'm going to make 4 sets of 3s, and I'm going to start off using this tubal bead right here. Okay, so I'm going to use one of these first. I'm going to use a square one, and then I'm going to use this tube bead right here. Okay. And like I said, I'm going to do a set of 4. 3 set of 4. Okay, another one of these. So I'm pretty much going to start off the same way that I started off when I first showed you. Okay, just like this. I'm going to do it 1, 2, and 3. This is another set. Okay, I'm going to do it 2 more times. This bead. Then I'm going to add the square bead. And in that kit, if y'all decide to order this from Amazon, they have all different sizes. They have the round ones and the small ones. So that's number 3. We need one more. Okay, one of these. Then I'm going to use another square one. And then another tubal like this. Okay. All right, now I'm going to bring all 3 of these down, all 4 of these down, so you all can see what I have. I'm done with that. Okay, so we have a set of 4 and 3s. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to come down 1.5 inches on my wire. So I'm going to take and bring my piece where I have my loop. I'm going to bring my loop up like that, and I'm going to come down 1.5 inches right there on. I'm going to bring my beads down just like that. Okay, and I'm going to put my finger right there. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to pinch right here just like that, and bring my beads down like that. My beads are going to fall right down just like that, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to bend it 3 more times, okay? 3, 4 more times, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here where these three are and bend it just like that. Push these up, okay? That's what you're going to have. Then I'm going to do the same thing right here. Push that down. I'm going to come here and bend it. Push these down. All right, I am making a triangle, all right? And then we're going to do it one more time. Bend it and push these up, okay? And here is your triangle. Now you can go in and fix it and straighten it out, okay? But this is what you should have, all right? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this piece of wire. You're just going to bring it up a tad bit, just like that. And you're going to take this long piece of wire and you're going to wrap it twice, all right? So you're going to take it, bend it over, and take it through this hole, holding it as tight as you can, pressing it up against this piece of wire, okay? So that's one time. And then we're going to do it one more time. Take it through, hold it as tight as you can, and bring it up, okay? So this is what you are going to have. This is what how your earring should be looking right now. All right. The next thing that we are going to do is we're going to take this piece right here. We're going to bring this piece over these two pieces here. So bring that up and bring it over just like that. And we're going to wrap this piece around the long piece. So we're going to take and bring it to the back, wrap it once, and then wrap it again, just like that. Push this up. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to snip off where we got that loop. We're going to snip that off. Sorry, y'all, going out of the camera. So we're just going to snip right there. Okay. And this is going to be the front part of your earring. Okay. So this is going to be where you see the two loops. That's going to be the front of your earring. I got so much wire, I'm trying not to stab myself in the eye. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use one of the small beads, which is one of these right here, the little 6mm. We're going to put that on. Then we're going to put on another tube, this size, not the oval shape one. This is the oval shape one, okay? And then we're going to put on our 8mm one. All right? And our earring is coming together. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. Now, the very last thing that you're going to do for your earring is you're going to make a loop, okay? Now, I'm going to try to stay in the camera. This wire is so long. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and make my loop. So I bend it over to the side a little bit like that. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and make my loop just like this. Okay, so you all can see it. And then I'm going to wrap this around. You can wrap it once or twice. So I'm going to come around just like this. And I'm going to just wrap it once, okay? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop on my wire. So I'm going to bring my wire down. I'm going to make a loop. Make a loop just like this. And then I'm going to make another loop just like this. Okay. And then at the very end, I'm going to bring this down just like that. And I'm going to take and make a loop down the bottom of my earring. So I'm going to do this just like this. Make a loop. And then I'm going to do that. Okay. And here is your gorgeous earring. And what you can also do with these is you can add a shell. You can add another wood bead right there to hang it so it can dangle down. And I'm going to go ahead and add on my fish hook. So this is going to be the front of your earring. So I'm going to put on my fish hook just like that. Close it up. And here you have yourself a beautiful pair of earrings. Okay. All right. So for those of you who are new, if this is your very first time here on this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.